Do you want to start your own doTERRA business? Hi, I'm Lori Funderburk, an essential oils educator with doTERRA, and I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the past 10 years. What does it mean to become a wellness advocate with doTERRA? Well, a wellness advocate is someone who shares the benefits of essential oils with others and helps them improve their physical and emotional health. Being a wellness advocate also gives you the opportunity to build a business by selling doTERRA's products. The first step is to purchase a starter kit. You can see all the starter kits in a link in the description below. These kits will give you everything you need to start sharing the benefits of essential oils with others. Once you have your starter kit, it's time to start learning about the products and the business opportunity. There are lots of resources to help you learn about the products and the business, including online trainings and a supportive community of other wellness advocates. The next step is to start sharing your knowledge of the benefits of essential oils with others by hosting classes, either in person or online with people in your community. It's important to remember that you don't need to be an expert to start sharing. You just need to be passionate and willing to learn. My favorite resource book is The Essential Life to teach people about the power of essential oils. I've put the link for where you can get that below. You can earn money through retail sales, team building, and bonuses. The earning potential is unlimited, and the more you put into your business, the more you can earn. Check out my compensation video, and you can learn all about the income potential and the different ways you can earn money with doTERRA. I would love to partner with you and mentor you in your doTERRA business. doTERRA has been one of the greatest blessings and opportunities I've ever experienced, and I love sharing the benefits of essential oils with others. If you're interested in starting a business with doTERRA and you're looking for a mentor that can help you, click the link in the description below and fill out the form. I can't wait to hear from you.